In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini to N8N. By the end, you'll have a simple chat workflow where messages come in through a chat trigger and get answered by Google's Gemini model, all from within your N8N workspace. First, open N8N and head to your workspace. You can do this on N8N Cloud or your self-hosted instance. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, and keep it empty for a moment. We're going to add just the nodes we need. Now, let's add the entry point for messages. In the node panel, search for Chat Trigger and drop it into the canvas. This trigger is what lets your workflow receive chat messages. You can leave most defaults as they are for now. The important part is that this node will hand off whatever the user types to the next step in the flow. Next, search for AI Agent and add that node to the workflow. Then connect the chat trigger to the AI agent. The AI agent node is where the intelligence lives. It takes incoming text, sends it to a model, and returns the model's response. We'll configure it to use Gemini so your bot can generate accurate, helpful replies. Inside the AI agent node, choose Google Gemini as the model provider. You'll see options to select the exact Gemini model later, but first we need to link your credentials so N8N can talk to Google securely. If you see a prompt to set credentials, click it to open the credentials setup. Open Google AI Studio in a separate tab and create an API key if you haven't already. Copy that key, come back to N8N, and paste it into the Gemini credentials field. Save the credentials. Back in the AI agent node, select the credentials you just created. Choose Google AI Studio as the source, and then pick the Gemini model that fits your needs. A general-purpose model is great for most chat scenarios, while a faster model is helpful if you want snappier replies. Save your node settings. That's it. Your chat trigger hands messages to the AI agent. Gemini generates the response, and N8N returns it. Make sure to save your workflow. If you ever run into connection issues, double-check that your API key is active and that you selected the correct credentials in the AI agent node. You can reuse the same Gemini credentials across other workflows too, which keeps everything consistent and secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with N8N and Google Gemini.